In this video, we will see how the data transferred from ConnectWise to QCommission using the QExchange. Log in to ConnectWise. The invoice page contains a total of 44 records. Open the QExchange application. Select Source DApp as ConnectWise and provide the credentials. Click the Accept button. Now the ConnectWise object will be listed on the source side. Right-click on the invoice object and click the View Data option. The invoice total records are displayed. Log in to QCommission application. There are no records available in the transaction object. Select Target DApp as QCommission and provide the connection INI path. Now click the Accept button, and the QCommission object will be listed on the target side. Right-click the Transaction Detail object and click the View Data option. As there are no records in the transaction page, it displays 0 record. Perform the mapping details from the source table to the target table. Right-click the invoice object, and then select the source filter. Apply the filter invoice tie and the status name. Now click the Accept button. After selecting the filter, right-click the invoice objects and now select the View Data option. Before filtering, 44 records are shown. After filtering, only 5 records are displayed. Click the Run Data Transfer button. The message Data Transfer Successful is displayed. Right-click the transaction line object and click the View Data option. The inserted 5 records will be displayed. The inserted 5 records are shown in the QCommission under the transaction object. Thank you.